Wood floors are a beautiful investment, but keeping them clean requires the right approach. Using too much water, the wrong products, or abrasive tools can lead to scratches, dullness, or warping. The good news is that you can clean your wood floors effectively without damaging the finish. Here's how to do it the safe, simple way. Step 1. Start by removing loose dirt and dust. Use a soft bristle broom or a vacuum with a hard floor setting to prevent scratching. Step 2. Use a well-wrung microfiber mop and warm water. The mop should be damp, not dripping. For best results, mop with the grain of the wood. Step 3. For sticky spots or minor grime, mix a few drops of dish soap with warm water. Dampen a soft cloth to clean, then immediately dry the area. Avoid steam mops, vinegar, bleach, or oil-based products. They can damage the finish over time. Step 4. Go over the floor with a dry microfiber towel or mop to remove moisture. This helps prevent streaks, swelling, or dull spots. Bonus tips: use rugs or mats at doorways to reduce tracked-in dirt. Clean spills immediately to avoid staining. Use felt pads under furniture legs. Don't oversaturate the mop. Wood and water don't mix well. Final thoughts. Keeping your wood floors clean is easier than you think. No fancy tools or risky chemicals required. Regular sweeping and careful mopping are the key to long-lasting shine and damage-free surfaces. Too busy to mop or want the whole house handled at once? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, because your floors, and your home, deserve to be berry clean. Bear Brothers Cleaning. Call at 256-633-6332 or visit the website at www.bearbrotherscleaning.com.